Hello there, welcome to Photographitech. Let us talk some things about the Vision Pro. Firstly, thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Apple Vision Pro, which has been launched by one of the leading tech company, Apple. Apple Vision Pro is an upcoming mixed reality headset. Apple advertises this Vision Pro as a spatial computer. It seamlessly blends your digital content with your physical space, where digital media is integrated with the real world and the physical inputs, such as motion gestures, eye tracking, and voice input, can be used to interact with the system. It runs on the brand new operating system called Vision OS, which is the derivative of iOS designed to be run on its own extended reality applications. Apple Vision Pro enables users to be even more productive with infinite screen, access to their favorite apps, and all new way to multitask. In Vision OS, apps can fill the space around you beyond the boundaries of the display. They can move anywhere, scale to the perfect size, react to the lighting in the room, and even cast shadows. As we know, it is a mixed reality headset. It is hard to navigate, but Vision Pro makes it simple. You can navigate simply by using your voice, hands, and even with your eyes also. It frees your desktop and your apps will live in your space around you. It lets you arrange the apps anywhere and scale them to the perfect size you like. You can do this all while staying present in the world around you. You can browse apps, make chats, and seamlessly move between them with a glance. It brings an immersive way to experience entertainment. It can transform any space, any room into your own personal theater. You can expand the screen to the perfect size you want and feel the action with the spatial audio. With Vision Pro, you can bring your moments and memories alive. Vision Pro is the Apple's first 3D camera. With this, you can capture magical spatial photos and videos in 3D, and panoramas can wrap around. It helps you to remain connected with the people around you. It reveals your eyesight and your eyes while you are using an app when someone approaches. Coming to the display, it has the micro OLED display system, features about 23 million pixels, approximately more than a 4K TV for each eye. It has the most advanced spatial audio system ever made by the Apple Silicon. It personalizes the sound by looking around the environment you are in. Eye tracking. It has a high performance eye tracking system of LEDs and infrared cameras. This provides ultra precise input without needing to hold any controller to control the Vision Pro. Sensors. It uses of approximately 23 sensors including 12 high resolution cameras, 5 sensors and 6 mics. Uses for precise head and hand tracking and real-time 3D mapping. Processors. The revolutionary Apple's M2 chip along with Apple's brand new R1 chip is used. The M2 chip runs Vision OS, executes advanced computer vision algorithms and delivers stunning graphics. And the new R1 chip is specifically dedicated to process inputs coming from 23 sensors used in it within 12 milliseconds. It helps for lag-free and real-time view of the world. Coming to the price, by considering all these features offered by this device, it carries a hefty price tag of $3,500, which is approximately 3 lakhs in Indian rupees. That's it for the today guys. Those who were watched till now, thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.